Good morning to everyone. Today we're going to see about the digestive system. Before going to that, what is mean digestion and what is mean digestive system? What is mean digestion? The digestion is nothing but the food that we eat is broken down into simpler form of food and it is taken in or absorbed by our body. Through that our body gets energy and form feces, that is called digestion. Next, what is mean digestive system? Various organs work together to digest the food, that is called as digestive system. Now we will see the process of digestive system. The process of digestion starts from the mouth. In the mouth, the food is broken down into simpler parts by biting and chewing. The chewed food is mixed with a liquid called saliva. Do you know where is the saliva is produced? It is very simple. It is produced from the salivary glands. There are three types of salivary glands. The food that we eat is mixed with the saliva and pushed down into a thin, long tube called the esophagus. The round food that we eat is called buccal cavity or bolus. In the esophagus, it is pushed into the sophageal lumen. The lumen is nothing but it is the opening point of the esophagus. In the esophagus, the food is gone down. There are much layers in the esophagus. The first two layers is responsible for larger and smaller pieces of food. The lumen allows the opening point to get larger and smaller pieces of food when you are standing or sitting. And the food is gone down to the stomach. In the stomach is often divided into 6 parts. In the stomach, there is circular muscle fibers. Under that, there are muscle fibers called rugae. The rugae allows the stomach to enlarge and small when the food is coming down. In the stomach, the food is coming down and the hyaluronic acids called hyaluronic acid, pepsin and lipase. To protect from the acid of the hyaluronic acid, it helps the wall of the stomach to protect it. The wall name is called mucus. It is called mucus layer. In the stomach, the food is digested with the movements of the stomach. And at the end of the stomach, the food is coming down in the end of the stomach. In the stomach, there's a small hole that opens only 1 millimeter, so that the larger food is staying in the stomach and the smaller food is alone coming to the small intestine. In the stomach also, the liver and pancreas also help the stomach to digest. In the liver, bile duct is present so that bile is produced and stored in the gallbladder. In the pancreas, insulin is insulin hormone is produced for digestion, as well as it also controls the sugar. In the stomach, the hydraulic acid have power to digest the steel, so that to protect it, so only the mucus layer is forming. In the stomach, how the hydraulic acid will be produced? It will be sensed or smelled the spices of the food, and it will be produced. The stomach produces 1 to 2 liters of acids every day, and in the end of the stomach it will come down to the small intestine. The small intestine is divided into 3 parts. They are, the beginning is duodenum, the circular folds is called gigilium. In the gigilium there are many circular folds, and lastly the ileum. Now we will see the duodenum. What is meant by duodenum? It joins the stomach and the small intestine. In the small intestine, it is gone down up and gone down up. It will go to the different directions. In the small intestine, there are finger-like projections called villi. The villi is 1 millimeter long. In the villi, there are microvilli. In the microvilli, there are nutrients present in green color. The nutrients are absorbed by the blood capillaries. But before going to the gigilium, the food that we eat that contains nutrients as well as bacteria. The bacteria is destroyed by the hydraulic acid components produced by the stomach. Next, now we will go to the ileum. In the ileum, the food is entering the large intestine. Before going to the large intestine, we will see a fact about large intestine. There are 100 billion bacteria in the large intestine, that is 10 trillion bacteria. The undigested food is stored in the large intestine. The large intestine takes the water content from it and forms feces called the feces. The feces is stored in a small organ called rectum. The rectum keeps over long and sends it to the anus. The anus removes the feces from the body. Before going to the next topic, in the large intestine there is appendix, which is not useful or unnecessary. It is very unnecessary to our body. Now we will go to the next topic, that is healthy eating habits. Chew the food well and do not swallow it whole, because it will be very harder for the digestive system organs to digest it. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. That will keep your body healthy and provide vitamins, minerals as well as dietary fiber. Wash your hands after and before meals. Rinse your mouth after meals. Always try to eat a balanced diet that will keep your body healthy. Always eat clean, fresh, and well cooked food every day that will keep your body healthy. Now we'll go to the next topic, that is microbes. What is meant by microbes? Microbes is nothing but small living organism that we cannot see with our naked eyes. Microbes are seen with an instrument called microscope. There are four types of microbes. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, and protozoa. Diseases produced by viruses. Common cold. The diseases caused by viruses are common cold, influenza, and polio. Diseases caused by bacteria are tuberculosis, typhoid, and cholera. Diseases caused by fungus are called ringworm and athlete's foot. Diseases caused by protozoa is dysentery, food poisoning, and malaria. Why dysenteries happen? Dysenteries happen because the protozoa is present in our stomach, so that incompletely the food is digested and sent to the small intestine, and it will enter the large intestine. In the large intestine, so it cannot absorb the water content from it, so the feces are removed very waterly. That disease that is called dysentery. The bacteria, microbes, everything is also useful to us. Some useful things by the microbes are we can make bread and bun. It helps in the digestion of food, rotting in the process of rotting dead plants in animals, changes milk into curd. Thank you. Bye. See you. We'll see in the next video.